How to fix flashlight not showing in control center on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and you will be led to the control center. Once you are in the control center, hold on the control center and you will see the option for Add a control. Tap on that and now search for flashlight from the options that appear and then select on the flashlight option, and with this the flashlight will be added to your control center. So this is how you can fix flashlight not showing in control center on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.